Chantrelles are a genus of choice edible mushrooms that grow in Indiana and throughout the world. They're really beautiful. They have this fluted shape, kind of like a wavy wine glass almost, and they range from sort of red over to yellow. Most of them are kind of orange colored. And I'd say they're probably one of the more iconic groups of fungi that grow in our state. In 2017, some guy called Scott Bates published a list of all definitively reported macrofungi in Indiana based on DNA data. And there are about a dozen species of chanterelles in that list. I've also found about a dozen species of chanterelles so far based on DNA data, and our lists only overlap about 50%. So I believe it's 8 species that have never been reported before within this state based on molecular data, and there are 8 species on his list that I haven't found yet within our data. Right now, what I want to do is, with all the chanterelle specimens that end up getting collected as part of the Indiana Microflora project, I want to get enough DNA sequences to be able to construct a coherent phylogenetic tree and identify the species units that actually exist in Indiana, compare them to what other people have found in other areas to identify shared species. And I want to look through our metadata on each of these collections, because right now, almost all of the historical research on chanterelles has been without DNA data, so they all end up getting lumped together as the same species.